Did you know that even the smallest balcony can become a green paradise? Imagine stepping out your door into a vibrant garden. The scent of herbs fills the air and colorful flowers dance in the breeze. This dream can be yours, no matter the size of your living space. Balcony and rooftop gardens bring nature's tranquility to urban life. Whether you have a spacious rooftop or a cozy balcony, the principles are the same. It's about crafting a sanctuary with your own hands, a place to escape the city buzz and reconnect with the earth. Let's explore how to transform your outdoor space into a flourishing garden oasis. Starting your balcony garden is simpler than you might think. Begin by assessing your sunlight. Observe how many hours of direct sun your balcony receives each day. This will determine the types of plants that will thrive in your space. Next, consider your container options. Pots, hanging baskets, and vertical planters are all excellent choices. Ensure they have proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. Choose a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. It provides the necessary nutrients for healthy plant growth. When selecting plants for your balcony, opt for varieties that are well suited to container gardening. Compact vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce are great choices. Herbs with their aromatic foliage and culinary uses are perfect for small spaces. For a splash of color, select flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Consider cascading varieties like petunias or trailing nasturtiums for a visually stunning display. Remember to group plants with similar sunlight and watering needs together. Gardening, even in a limited space, offers numerous benefits. It's a therapeutic activity that reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Tending to your plants provides a sense of accomplishment and connects you to the natural world. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs for your meals, or picking a ripe tomato to enjoy right on your balcony. Creating your own green oasis is a rewarding endeavor that enriches your life in countless ways. So, gather your gardening tools, select your favorite plants, and embark on this fulfilling journey. Transform your balcony into a thriving testament to the beauty of nature, even amidst the hustle and bustle of city life.